Hello everyone! Happy Friday! I'm so excited that it's Friday and that I'm here and that I hope that a few of you will join me. So come on, say hi, tell me what's on your sewing table, tell me what your weekend plans are. It's a beautiful weekend here in Georgia. It's gorgeous outside. It's got a crisp chill to the air and it's the perfect sewing season. Hi Sarah! I have some beautiful new fabrics to share with you today that I'm so excited about. I can't wait to see how y'all feel about them and what y'all make with them. Hi Stephanie, hi Shayna. It's just all the S's are here. So I can't wait. Don't forget that every comment on this video will enter you to win this beautiful pile of fabric that I have here. I have 7 fabrics for you today, which are all lovely. I love all of them. So be prepared for me to gush and be excited. So why don't I dive right in? So I'm going to start with a beautiful luxe black sweater knit. So let me get the top of this fabric. Oh, this fabric is so soft. This is a poly rayon spandex blend. It's 200 GSM. It's got a 50% horizontal stretch, and then it is stable vertically. And you might be having trouble seeing it because it's what I'm wearing. This is the fabric I used to make this sweater here. I wanted to have a cute example of some of our fabrics today. But I just want to come nice and close so you can see it's kind of fuzzy on the right side, which is so soft. And then the back side, the wrong side, is that pretty classic sweater knit texture, which is just lovely. I am so cozy wearing it. It's 200 GSM, but it's pretty lightweight. I'm not hot, which is really nice, even though I've got long sleeves on and I run kind of warm. But it is cozy. So it's the perfect sweater weight for me. I love it so much. And did I mention it's soft? I know I did, but I'm going to say it again because it's so soft. It's so, so, so soft. I am absolutely obsessed with it. So this is our Luxe Black Sweater Knit. It's so beautiful. And you can see when I hold it away, it's a little bit sheer. But when I'm holding it on me, it's not. So it's that perfect weight. I love it. It is the same fabric, Stephanie, except for the sleeves, which I made out of this black ribbed sweater knit. So this is the exact same color as the same fiber is what I was looking for. This is also a poly rayon spandex blend, also 200 GSM. This one, however, has 100% horizontal stretch because of those ribs, and then is also stable vertically. So this beautiful rib knit, let me find some light where you can actually see that ribbing, is exactly the same fabric. It's just made in the rib style. It's also kind of brushed and fuzzy on the one side, and then not brushed on the wrong side. There we go. Oh, the lighting is working for me right now. So it's also ridiculously soft, and if you love a rib knit, it is a wonderful rib knit. I know this is kind of hard to see. Don't worry, I've got a different colorway. But I did use that rib knit on the sleeve of this sweater and for my neckband, which you can't really see. Just to kind of give it a little bit of interest, because I love a black sweater, but why not a black sweater with a little bit of extra something cool going on? And it's such a perfect combination. It's so comfy, and I love the stripe vibe on the sleeves and the neckband, and then that solid, I realize they're both solids, but that solid just fuzziness on the body of the sweater. It's super comfy. I absolutely love it, and they look so good together. They look so good. So thank you everyone. We couldn't just get black in our sweater knit, although we did need a black sweater knit, but we also got this beautiful toasted pumpkin. So this is our Luxe Toasted Pumpkin Sweater Knit, which is absolutely stunning. I love this color. It screams fall to me. This is the same fiber, so it's a poly rayon spandex, 200 GSM. This one has 50% horizontal stretch, and then it is also stable vertically. This color is so stunning, and I'm going to hold it kind of close so you can see the fuzzies maybe a little bit better on not black, because I know that black comes across kind of hard to see on camera. And then that wrong side, you can see that sweater knit knitting, the texture. Oh my goodness, I lost my words. It's just beautiful. Oh, Becky, that's so disappointing to not be able to wear colors that you love. But you can make something for your daughter, which is always a win. So we have this beautiful toasted pumpkin, which I'm going to leave here because we also got it in the rib knit. So these are exactly the same color because they're exactly the same fiber. This is the same poly rayon spandex blend, 200 GSM. This one is also 100% horizontal and then stable vertically. And you can see, I think, the texture a little bit better here, the ribbing a little bit better. And it's so fuzzy. It's so fuzzy. I just love it. And then that sweater knit, or the non-fuzzy texture on the other side. And you can see, I'm going to put this one over my other shoulder. They are exactly the same color, which is so lovely. So you can mix and match, or you can make matching sweaters for you and someone you love that aren't quite matching. Whatever your preference is, but they're so soft. This one has a little bit more depth of color because of the ribbing, because the light catches those different heights really beautifully, but so lovely. And I cannot tell you just how soft they are. They're so, so, so soft. So I'm super excited. And mine has just gotten softer. Obviously, it's been washed because I pre-wash all of my fabrics. So it's just gotten a little bit softer in the wash even than when it was when I got it, which is amazing. Hi, Verna. So those are my new sweater knits to share with y'all this week. And now I have some beautiful fabrics. I'm so excited about these. I don't know about you, but I am in the middle of, I should be sewing, but I'm still planning my holiday sews. So Christmas gifts, Christmas Eve jammies, all kinds of everything holiday. Okay, I'm ready for it. I need to make some placemats. I've got a whole list going. So I am ready for my festive fabric. So we got in some beautiful, a festive line this year. So I'm going to start you off with this festive garland, which is so beautiful. This is a double brush poly. This is a poly spandex blend. It's 180 GSM. It's got 80% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch. I'm going to show it a little bit closer to the screen so you can see the details of this. It's just so beautiful. Just a beautiful garland with like gems or moons and stars and all kinds of stuff. Just so beautiful. The colors in it are stunning. And I have so many coordinates for you. So many coordinates, which I love. I love when we have coordinates. So we're going to start off with ivory. This background color is definitely not white. It's ivory. We have some pastel pink in there and some magenta, which I'm loving. But if you want to lean into the gold, the antique gold is a gorgeous match. Absolutely beautiful. And then this next series of color just makes me so happy. The vintage. We've got a vintage purple that looks beautiful. That's going to be just some subtle tones in some of the pinks. We have vintage slate. Oh, I love our vintage line. They're just such lovely colors. So vintage slate is going to be in some of these blue gems. And then we have light gray. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm not even done. My hand is getting full, but I'm not even done. Sky blue. There's just a tiny bit of sky blue in some of the lighter sections of the blue bits, which are really hard for me to show you because it's so tiny. It's so tiny. And then we also have some dark mauve in there, going back to pinks, but different tones of pinks. So these ones are in the darker tones of some of the flowers. And then we also have orchid in here. So quite a variety of tones in this one, which I really quite love. And then I have to share with you that this color is not in the fabric, but I just think it looks amazing. The Cabernet. So it's not technically in here anywhere, but it sure looks really good with it. So I just wanted to show you that it's not listed as one of our coordinates. It's just a bonus info that while I was putting coordinates together, I was like, but I love it. So I have to say it. So that is our Cabernet. So this is our festive garland double brush poly, which is so soft and so lovely. And I love it. So I hope y'all do as well. That is not the only festive fabric I have for you though. It is not. I also have festive trees. So if, oh, this one has a right side up. Hang on. Got it upside down. If you are a big fan of trees, this one is adorable. So we've got some beautiful palm trees. We've got some Christmas trees. They're just, we've got everything that you need in a tree. So this one is the same. It's a poly spandex blend, 180 GSM, 80% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch on this one. This bright pink is so lovely. Hi, CJ. Ooh, there we go. Okay. So I have some coordinates for you here as well. This one coordinates with both white and ivory. So you can choose which one you prefer on that, which is always so convenient. And then we also have peach, which is so beautiful. Let me tip it a little forward so you can see that color a little better. My light is a little glaring. So that some of those trees are going to be that peach color. And then some other trees are our beautiful seafoam. So some beautiful colors on this one. Let me tip. There we go. There we go. Some beautiful colors on this one. I absolutely love this one. I know I say that all the time, but I definitely think some Christmas jammies are in order on this one. Just so fun and so cute, and it doesn't scream Christmas. I'll wear them all. I mean, I'm going to wear them all year anyway, but super cute Festive Trees double brush poly. I have one more fabric for you. It is also in our Festive line, and I think it's my favorite, which is probably why I'm ending on it. But who doesn't love Festive Flamingos? So we have some beautiful ornaments on this fabric. Lots of different things. We got some fruit. We've got flamingos. We have monstera leaves, which are my favorite leaf. So this one is called Festive Flamingos double brush poly. This is also a poly spandex blend, 180 GSM. Also 80% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch. And I have some coordinates for you on this one. No surprise there, because there's so many colors in this one. There's just so many. So this one is a white coordinate on this one. There's no ivory in here. And then we also have some, yes, Florida holidays for sure. Pastel pink. No surprise there. There's some beautiful pinks in here. We have magenta. Oh, so beautiful. I just love those pinks. Pinks and greens. They just look so good together. Antique gold. Antique gold. So some of those ornaments and the little hangers fall into that antique gold category, which is just fun. Black. So there's definitely a little bit of black in there. And then some pink coral. I lost my spot. Pink coral. And coral. So they've got some beautiful corally ornaments in here. We have light terracotta. Running out of room in my hand again. In some of these. And cinnamon in some of these. So beautiful. And then also there's a little bit of red. So if you want that nice classic red, that looks really great, which is extra wonderful for Christmas if you want to do like a red top and some flamingo bottoms, or vice versa, or a cute raglan style tee. Red, classic, and then lemon yellow. So there's a little bit of lemon in here and some of the green bits. And then this one, again, this is not a coordinate, but it does look really good together. That Cabernet just looks so good with it because it's got some of the same tones as some of these pinks in here. So it's absolutely beautiful, but it's not technically in there. So we did not include it as a coordinate. But this coordinate this week was insane. I love having so many coordinates. So this is our Festive Flamingo double brush poly. I'm going to hold it a little closer so you can see some of those shadows and beautiful, just small details that are in here, because it's so fun and well thought out, which is just lovely. Those are my 7 fabrics for this week. So I do have a winner from the October 14th reveal video, which is Jessica Jacobson. So congratulations. Please do email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com to claim your prize. We'll get that shipped out to you. And don't forget to comment on this video to win these beautiful 7 fabrics. We will get these fabrics live here in just a few minutes. I'll post in the group just as soon as they're available. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Don't forget to share everything that you're making and just, chat with us in the group because we love hearing from you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll chat with you soon, okay? Bye, everybody.